Document control is a critical aspect of food manufacturing, ensuring that all necessary documentation is created, maintained, reviewed, and updated in a timely and accurate manner. This helps to maintain product quality, safety, and regulatory compliance. Key components of document control in food manufacturing include document creation and approval. This involves developing and approving various documents such as standard operating procedures, quality manuals, hazard analysis, and critical control point plans, and other relevant documentation. Document review and update. Regular reviews are conducted to ensure that documents remain accurate, relevant, and aligned with current regulations and industry standards. Updates are made as needed to reflect changes in processes, procedures, or regulatory requirements. Document storage and retrieval. Documents are stored in a secure and organized manner, making them easily accessible when needed. A system for document retrieval is in place to ensure that the correct version of a document is used. Document retention. A document retention policy outlines how long documents should be retained. This helps to ensure that important records are preserved while unnecessary documents are disposed of in a timely manner. Change control. A system is in place to manage changes to documents, ensuring that all necessary approvals are obtained and that the updated versions are distributed to relevant personnel. Benefits of effective document control in food manufacturing include improved product quality and safety. By following documented procedures, manufacturers can reduce the risk of errors and ensure that products meet quality standards. Enhanced regulatory compliance. Proper document control helps to demonstrate compliance with food safety regulations and standards, such as the Food Safety Modernization Act, or FSMA, and HACCP. Increased efficiency and productivity. Well-organized documentation can improve efficiency and reduce the time spent searching for information. Improved traceability. Accurate and complete documentation can help to trace products back to their source in case of a recall or quality issue. Effective document control is essential for the success of any food manufacturing company. By implementing robust document control systems and procedures, manufacturers can ensure that their products are safe, of high quality, and compliant with all relevant regulations.